Hey guys, welcome to PK Gamer, and today we're gonna be playing Beyblade Burst.
Yep.
And I have Victor, and I'm choosing 2 bays. Everybody, all 3 of us chooses 2 bays, and I have Victory Valtryek, and I have Victory Valtryek and God Valtryek.
This one's Genesis Valtryek.
Oh, Genesis Valtryek.
That's Victory Valtryek.
And Victory Valtryek.
Alright, so my bays, I'll show you mine. Right now, this one right here is my bay, Kinetic Satomb. It's pretty powerful. We just got it today, actually. It's pretty cool. And my other bay that we got, like, probably like Sunday or something, is Alter Cognite. It's pretty cool right here, as you can see. Like, here are the bottoms of them. That's the bottom of Alter Cognite, and here is the bottom of Kinetic Satomb. As you can see right there, Kinetic Satomb, let me just put that up there for you guys, has those wheels, just wait a minute, right about there, as you can see those right there. Yeah. So, this is my brother Anthony, and he's gonna explain his base to you guys.
This is Feather Fangriff.
As you can see, like, just...
Okay, now show me your other base.
Yeah.
This is Jumbo Dormitor.
He's really powerful. Now, some of our other Beyblades are we don't really use, we're not going to use them, but we will show you some of them. Like this one right here is a counterclockwise bay. It's Lost Luminor.
And we have Golden Excalius.
This is another one of our
pretty powerful.
Yeah, this is another one of our counterclockwise ones. It's called Dream Fafnir. He's not going to be battling, but maybe some other time when we make another video, we might use him. But yeah, that's what he looks like. Hey, you can press down on this bottom.
Okay, now, guys, there's one more. Something happened to it.
Oh yeah, we should show them the one. We should show them that one where the one.
And this is a battlefield.
Yeah, this is the battle arena right here where our base will spin.
And as you see, if you do this, it goes down, so you can.
Yeah, just so you know, we're gonna show you this just right about here. This bay right here. There used to be a part right here, but it actually broke off because it took a really hard hit from a other bay. This is Zillion Zootron, but we're not gonna be using him because we're not just gonna use him because yeah, he's cracked right here, and yeah, we will see you guys when we start the video, and we'll battle. So we are gonna start battling just right now. We're gonna get ready to launch. The first one to get the first one to take 3 games will be the winner.
Oh, by the way, there's a new one it's called Galaxy Zootron. If you want to go check that out.
Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. Oh yeah, guys, also subscribe to the Super Beyblade family. They make super cool videos. Just to make sure to subscribe to them. So let's get this started. Yeah, let me get my launcher set up.
I'm using my Victory Valtryek bay first.
And
good.
My bay that I'm gonna use first is my Alter Cognite.
And I'm gonna be using Feather Fangriff. So let's battle. He's not even in the show.
He's not even in the show, but we don't know where he came from. We just found
I think he's in Evolution, but
yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh man!
Kinetic Satomb, we did it. Sorry guys, I think I may have screwed up. I said I was gonna use Alter Cognite, but I actually just felt like using Kinetic Satomb, so that's how cool it is. Thank you. There's the bottom right there, just so you know.
And I'm gonna use Dormant.
Alright, now starting this time, I'm actually not gonna lie. This time I actually am gonna use Alter Cognite.
And this time I'm gonna use. Okay, so Nico has his first has won one game.
All right, so I have the first. I'm
using Jumbo.
I have the first point. I have the first point. It's the first one to get 3 points is the winner.
And now I am using.
I actually have 2 points. So this is how you actually play. So.
And now I am using Genesis Valtryek.
And yeah, guys, just so you know, if your bay just like stops spinning and it just stops like that, it's 1 point. But if it bursts like that, it's 2 points. And if it gets knocked out of the arena and it's not spinning anymore, it will be a ring out finish. But yeah. So let's get this match started.
Okay, so come on, guys, get your launchers ready. 3, 2.
Oh crap! I screwed up.
Oh wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, okay.
Oh, guys. Yeah.
It's a tie.
Tie. It's burnt.
No, that's fine.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so now I'm gonna keep Alter Cognite. I am gonna use him again.
Oh, guys, by the way, there is another counterclockwise thing. Train fast.
Yeah, I already showed them that.
Oh. I'm so stupid.
Okay, earlier when we weren't making a video, we actually had this right here. This is part of our other. Oh, okay. This is actually part of our other bay that actually we lost the top earlier. So we can't really use it. So yeah.
You want to go down and get some?
Sorry about that. Okay, let's continue with this battle. Sorry, that was my dad talking, just so you know. So now, yeah, that's Genesis Valtryek. I just had to fix him. And, yeah, so now, this time...
It's a tie, so no...
Alright, I'm sending in kinetics I'm sending in kinetics to... I don't know...
Switch base.
Oh, yeah, never mind. Never mind, sending in Alter Cognite.
And I'm still with Genesis Valtryek.
Alright, so let's do this again. So, yeah, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, jeez.
Another tie.
Okay, I don't even know if that was... Okay, I think maybe I have won, no offense, because I think mine was the last one to burst.
No, all of us, mine and yours burst at the same time.
Okay, that was actually pretty cool. A triple burst.
I know.
This guy is so cool.
Oh, guys, there also is a show. If you want to go check it out.
Alright, so sorry, that was my dad talking again. Now, let's get this started. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, Genesis Valtryek's done. Who will win? Who will win? I lost. Dang it! Just by. At least I did burst Genesis Valtryek, but then mine stopped.
Could you? Okay. So Dormitor is the winner. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Oh no! So these are 3-point matches. And
well, they're not really matches. We're not really gonna be focused on the score. We're just gonna be like ripping and just see what happens.
Anthony has 1 point and Nico has 2.
No, we're not really gonna focus on the score because you know we won't really remember. So we're just gonna see what happens.
3, 2.
Oh, my toys burst!
Oh God! It hit the cam.
Who will win?
Yeah, Victory Valtryek or Victory.
Oh, I did it! Yay!
It hit the cam. It hit the cam.
Alter Cognite, he is so good. Alright, next. Now I just feel like switching my base, so now I'm gonna go with my Kinetic Satum and his roller wheels on the bottom.
Now I'm gonna go with Victory Valtryek, which is the champ so far.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
By the way, guys, we have and this is my base.
Okay, let's get
You guys can do some practice. I'm using Drain Fafnir.
Yep.
Wait, okay, not ready yet. Wait, do I use this launcher for Drain Fafnir?
No. Remember we said we were only gonna use 2 base. Remember you said we were only gonna use 2.
Yeah, I don't want to use Victory. Yeah. Okay. Guys,
then you can't. Well, I already told them that we're not going to be using Drain Fafnir tonight. Yeah, guys, we're not going to use Drain Fafnir probably right now. Maybe some other time.
Guys, by the way, this is a really good bait, and here's his brother. And here's the sister.
May not look alike, but alright, let's get this started.
But the bottoms do. Could you put? Oh yeah. Wait, no, I don't want to use this. That. Guys, you can do some practice. How do you get set up?
Hurry up, because
Wait. My hands are away again.
Alright, ready?
Now it's gonna be good.
ready?
3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Yeah, go make sure you got it.
Okay, now we're special move. Now go.
Special move.
Cyclone. Oh yeah, I did it. Yes.
Yes.
Now, who will win this last one? Who will win? Let's go! Kinetic Satumi is so good! Yeah! Alright, now I'm gonna keep Kinetic Satumi. He's actually pretty good, I didn't really think.
Okay, that's it. Wait. Clean, get clean.
Guys, this guy is so good, especially because his his wheels on the bottom, you can see them. Probably, let me just put that really close to the camera for you guys. Straight, yeah, you probably saw this earlier, you probably can't see them now, but right there and right there. Yeah.
You can't even see.
Okay, so.
Not really yet.
Crap.
Wait. Voila! And back sheep free bags Stop.
Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Alright, I'm gonna take some puppies. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, I did it. I want to get.
Yeah.
I'm winning so much. Okay. Now I'm gonna change mine up. Now I'm gonna go back to Ultra
I'm
Cognite.
keeping them.
I'm going back to Ultra Cognite.
We might make we only have to play 2 more games left.
Yeah, so actually just let's do like 4 more like launches and then let's yeah. Alright.
Because this video will have the max in this video is just only 15 minutes.
Yeah, alright, ready.
Wait, okay, so just a sec.
Alright. Alright, launcher in. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go first! Come on, Victory Aldred. Be the champ again! I won!
Okay, so this guy right here. Okay, you saw that Veltric ended up.
I should look at almost first. I don't think you can see it.
Okay, Arena screwed up right there. But now we got he is actually he's not doing too good. So now I'm gonna send Kinetic Satoon back in.
If I can, you can't. The battle's not over yet.
No, we're not keeping track of points. You can send in whoever you want.
Oh, we can do 2 more battles. I'm just gonna add this. Just 2 more battles, please.
2 more battles.
Because some have.
Oh yeah, we're just gonna add that on just to
Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1.
1.
Yeah!
How did that? Oh no, he didn't burst. He didn't burst, but mine did. So, ow. Sorry. Oh, you burst your. Okay, guys, so you realize their Kinetic Satoon burst.
Guys, he didn't burst. At least I know.
The purple part of this part, fell off. We gotta find that. Oh, it's right over here.
Did lose. Nice asking. Come on, Victory Valkyrie, be the same.
I was telling him to stop screwing around. Alright, no one.
Okay, 1 more battle.
Alright, 1 more battle.
Come on, quick!
Alright, wait, my middle one. Oh crap, I can't find.
Then use the other way.
No!
Come on, we have 13 minutes. The max time is 15 minutes.
Okay, let's get this started. Alright, we will find the other part of Kinetic Satoon later. We can't really get him right now, but so right now I'm going to use right here.
Wait. Oh, this.
Now we're gonna use. I'm gonna use Ultra Cognite now. So we have to end the video in like a couple minutes. So let's get this started.
Quick. Let's get this party started.
Alright, this will be the last battle.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, let's see about that. 1.
Alright, so yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so that we are gonna end the video there. I hope you guys
and the
like
winner
it.
is this.
Well, yeah. Oh, I actually had a lot of bursts too.